and create a new account. Sorry, login with free developer account. Let me open, I think browser, right? Click on this. So it will ask password. So SFDC 2023. Here we have a checkbox, right? Remember me. That is the reason that username is saved. If the checkbox is disabled, you have to enter manually. If you click on login now, what will happen? So it will log into the Salesforce, right? This is one way. And also, is there any possibility to save that username password in anywhere and click on the tab automatically we need to log in? Yes, that also it is possible. See here, in the browser, in Chrome browser, we have a extension called force.com logins. Okay, if you go to force.com logins, so but real time no one using, but if you want we can use. This is the best way to store the username and password. If you click on force.com logins, already I have added, right? That is the reason it is showing remove from Chrome. If you are not added, it will show for add to Chrome. Already you people are aware of that, how to add extension files to the browser, right? But this is available only for Chrome. That is the reason already day one I told like use for Chrome browser whenever you are practicing. So it is supporting for all extension files, whatever it is required. So here is it is a remove from Chrome means already I have added. Once you added, automatically what happened if you refresh the browser, this icon it is showing. If you click on this icon, so initially usernames are not available. Just click on add account here. If you click on add account, if you want to create different folders, see suppose here I have created general, personal, new batch, something like that I have created here. Okay, so now I'm going to select new batch and the username. Just to copy your username here, username and password, and also save password. Okay, and also what is the org type? Our org is developer org, right? Select production and dev and click on save. Nothing else, no need to give, no need to populate any other value, just use the username and password. If you want to create a group, you can create a group as well. Here plus and plus symbol, it will create a new group as well. Now once you added username and password, click on save now. Click yes. See, one says that username is saved. Now I'm going to log out this org. So what will happen as soon as open that browser, this icon is visible. Go to this icon, just click on tab here. Click on tab, no need to enter username and password. See, directly it is logged in. Hope you clear, right? How to save the username and password. Okay, if you want, you can use it. But real time, why people are not using this one, right? Maybe it is introduced by Salesforce only, but if you want, you can use it. But most of the people not using this feature. I don't know why. Maybe if you want, you can use it. Okay, so you can store n number of usernames, and also once stored, if you want, you can take the backup as well. See, if you click on import and export, here we have a option called save as a backup. Then otherwise you can copy here and paste it notepad itself here. So here like this. Anyway, here username password it is there, right? If you go to here, see this is the username and this username password is this one. Like this you can find out if required. If you have multiple accounts, you can save somewhere. In future you want to import that on a other browser, any other system, same username and password, then you can import as well. Okay, so here import option also it is available. So this is the best feature to store the login details. Generally why people are not recommended, maybe some people are using your login details if your system is opened, maybe it is misuse of something data. So that is the reason, some security purpose most of the people are not using in real time, but practicing purpose you can use it. So no one using for your personal laptop, right? That is dedicated to you only, so you can use for personal laptop this credentials. Okay, force.com login. So what is the extension? Extension is force.com logins. Force.com logins. Okay, so here using this extension file we can save username and password open file and click on tab. So Salesforce account open. Salesforce account open. Instead of enter username and password. Username and password every time. Hope you clear. Okay. So this feature is available. I think this feature is available only for Chrome browser. Okay, Chrome browser. I don't know Edge browser. I didn't test. Maybe you can, if you want, you can test it as well. Okay, so hope you clear this one. Any questions? How to use? Right. Now you can go with the actual topics. Last class we discussed about trial account, how to create trial account, what are the features available, and so how many UI versions are available, how to check API version, and how to check the current release version, and also what are the trial account features are available, what are the things we are going to practice, and what are the activities we can do in trial account, what is the login URL, everything I have mentioned in last class notes. Okay, you can go through once again. If you have any questions, please let me know at any time. Okay. Right. So the next topic is documents. Documents. So the reason why I'm taking document means while creating application in classic version, so we need to store the logo in document object. So that is the reason. First understand document object. What is document in Salesforce? What is the purpose of using document? Okay. So generally this feature is not available in Lightning version. Lightning version directly we can browse from the your local mission to Salesforce. How we are uploading your WhatsApp profiles and all directly it is getting from device memory, right? Same like here also. Okay, directly we can get it from a local mission browser. Whatever data is available, files we can upload directly without saving into the document object. That is the reason documents are available only for classic version. Okay, right. So generally, what is the use of document? Document is a standard object. Standard object. Object is nothing but a table. Okay, it is created by Salesforce. So wherever I have mentioned standard keyword, that is something like it is created by Salesforce. Whatever Salesforce is created or predefined functionalities are nothing but standard functionalities. Don't confuse. Every time I'm using for standard keyword. Okay, it is a standard table. We can store some sensitive information like files, images, PDF files, whatever it is required, we can store. Okay, so we can use the document. We can use the document to store sensitive information. Sensitive information like Word files or whatever, like files, images, docs, etc. Okay, this one. And also document is this object. This object is using only for classic version. Classic version. Okay. Now documents are two types. Two types. One is internal document, and the second one is external document. External document. One is internal document and one more is external document. What is internal document? So before going to give the notes, first I'm going to create how to create document. How to create document in Salesforce. Okay. So now click on plus symbol. So there is a plus icon, that is something like all tabs, and click on document object, document tab, so that it will open document tab. Go to Salesforce, click on your plus symbol. This is the tab panel. So again, I'm repeating here, don't confuse. This is the application setup. At the time of application, I will repeat once again. So this is your login user details. Which user is logged in, the login username, and is related to his profile settings, everything it is opened. And this is the setup. What is this setup means? So whatever navigation part it is available, this is something like administration setup. So if you open any one tab, if you click on any tab, the setup is hide automatically. So if you want to open the setup, just click on this setup. It will open the setup here, and you can navigate to which option you required. Okay, and also here this is the tab panel. This is the tab panel. Every application having tab panel, right? If you go to Flipkart application or Instagram or whatever, so there is a tab panel is available. Tab panel is contain multiple tabs. Each tab is nothing but a specific to object. Okay, based on the tab only, user is going to access the object, and user is going to enter the information related to that object. So now here you can click on plus symbol here. This is the all tabs. If you go to mouse over there, so here see all tabs option is available. Click on all tabs. There is a one of the tab called document. See here we have a document object here. Click on the document. Suppose if you want to add the document tab to tab panel, then simply you can click on plus symbol. Now here we have a customize my tabs. Customize my tab means this particular user my tab. Maybe this organization using for multiple users. If you want to customize this my tabs, only this changes are applicable to particular logged in user, not for other users. Okay, so whoever required, they will customize what tabs are required to display in tab panel. Just click on customize my tab. Now what is the document, right? Just add documents here. If you want to move the first tab always it should be home tab, and the next tab is document. Click on save now. Now it is saved. If you go to document now, click on document. See here there is a new button. Click on new button here. See here you can save the document. Suppose I'm going to store some IT internal app image. Just I'm going to store. I'm going to download below 20 KB. The reason why I mentioned below 20 KB, so that only it is supported for application. So just simply I'm using something like internal application. Maybe otherwise I'm going to use CTS. Is there any CTS logo? Maybe I'm going to use CTS logo. Agnogen. So here it is there. Maybe I'm going to use this one. Save this image. Save image as SFDC. Go to WinowLearn. So July batch. Maybe I'm going to save here. Image 1. Okay. Now, so I'm going to use something Axis Bank logo. Just I'm going to save this logo as well. So this is image 2. Okay. Now, if you go to document, again I'm repeating, click on document, click on new button. Now I'm going to use IT application logo. IT application logo. Now it is logo. Now here there is a two check boxes we have. One is indicate document is internal and externally available image. What is different between these two check boxes means if you enable internal means this logo or this particular document it is visible only for internal users. Okay, that is something like internal document. What is internal document? While creating document, if you are enable the checkbox is internal checkbox, the document is nothing but a internal document. If you are enable external available image, see suppose I'm going to enable external available image, then the document is nothing but an external document. Means the document is visible internal users as well as external users. Maybe at the time of users I'm going to explain who is internal users and who is external users. Simply internal users are nothing but whoever log in directly into the Salesforce and do the activities, Those users are nothing but internal users. Whoever not log into the Salesforce, they will log into the external site. So now everyone using Flipkart, right? That is something like external site. We are all are external users, not for internal users. We don't know what type of database they're using. Maybe they're using Salesforce or maybe they're using SAP. We don't know. We are not logging to their system. We are accessing external website to book order and all. So that users are nothing but external users or community users, something like that. Okay. So that maybe in detail we'll discuss at the time of users down the line. Now remaining option folder I'm going to come later. Now, so as of now it is stored into my personal document. Now choose the file. Either you can choose the file or you can get the reference. So if you open the reference, there is a path, right? Maybe you can copy the link address and directly you can paste it. Now as of now already I have downloaded. So I'm going to use same document. Go to here. Now open this. Now I'm going to use image 1. Okay, click on save now. Save now. Now I'm going to create one more document. Click on document, click on new document. Now I'm going to use Axis Bank logo. Now I'm going to use internal document. Just choose the file, Axis Bank. Okay, save now. Now I have created two documents, right? If you go to back to list of documents, see I have created two documents. One is internal document, one is external document. I'll open these two documents separate browser. If you observe that if the document is internal document, the content is not visible directly. Content is not visible directly. So its kind of link is available. If you go to external document, the content is visible directly. The content is visible directly. If you open the internal document content, you have to click on view file. Then only the content is visible. This is one more difference between internal document and external document. If the content is visible directly, the document is nothing but an external document. If content is not visible, the document is nothing but an internal document. If we are enable, see suppose go to edit properties. Now I'm going to enable external available image. Click now. See now logo is now it is visible. Why? Because this document is external document. Hope you clear what is internal document and what is external document. Clear? Any questions here? If I'm going fast, please let me know. Right.
Nothing.
Okay. Good. These documents can be accessed or shared with only internal users. Internal users. And also content is not visible directly. If you check your Gmail ID, whenever you receive any files, some of the files are showing in body, that is content is visible. Some of the mails are having attachment as a the file as a attached, means attachment. That is something like internal document, means it is not visible. If you once click on that attachment, then only it is visible. But if it is directly the images or everything is visible into the body, email body, that is something like external document, means we can access anywhere, right? So now how you know whether this is internal document or external document, means the checkbox equal to true. So it is a true, then the document is internal document. Now, so external document is these documents can be accessed both internal and external users. And also content is visible directly. And also here, how you know whether a document is internal document or external document? If the checkbox is enabled, the document is external document. True. Okay, hope these statements are enough. Now you know what is document, what is the purpose of using, how to create a document, and what is internal and external document. Now you know how to create a document. Now how to share the document. documents. See, if the documents are saved into my personal document folder, then this folder is available for every user. They're having their own personal document folder. Okay, so these documents are created by Raju, and he is saved into his personal document folder. See, suppose one more user logged in here. He want same document access. How to share the document from one user to another user? Is there any possibility? If you open the document here, is there any sharing button here? No. We have only replace document. Or do you want to send this document to email? You can send email, or we can delete, or we can change the properties like naming and all. Okay. But how to share the document? That is the next question. How to share the document? How to share the document from one user to another user? How to share the document means, so via folder, we can share the document from one user to another user or another users as well. Users or group of users or single user as well. Okay. Then how to create a folder? Just to go to document here. Here we have an option called create a new folder. If you create new folder, example, maybe let me check with, is there any other users are available? Maybe that we'll discuss later. Go to create a new folder. Click on new folder. I'm using public folder. That is the custom folder, public folder. So what type of access it is required? Folder access. If you want to read only, so whoever accessing this folder, they're just having read access, means they're able to access, but they're not able to modify the folder details. So if you give the read write access, they will able to modify the folder details and also these details as well. See here, three options we have. One is this folder is accessible for all users, or this folder is hidden from all users. If you select first one, so all users can able to access this folder, internal users or external users or whatever. So if it is hidden from users, then no one can access. So this is the private folder again. So now if you want only certain users or only few people it is required for this folder access, then select which users are required. These roles, public, group, roles and subordinate, that we'll discuss later. Okay, what are the three options? Either all users, or hidden from all users, or maybe only particular users. You have to select these three options. I'm going to select all users. Click on save now. Once create the folder, how to change the folder name, how to move the document from personal document to here means, just go to this document, click on edit properties. Here we have an option to choose the public folder. Click on save now. Now this document is visible to everyone, and Axis Bank logo document is visible only for few people. Okay, if you go to my personal document, only one document is visible. Means this user accessing this Axis Bank logo, other users cannot able to access. If you go to public folder, then this user also accessing and other users also accessing this particular logo. This is how we can share the document from one user to another user. How to share the document? So create a folder and move the document from personal document to public folder, whatever folder you have created, custom folder, and give the access which users are required. Okay, hope you clear what is document and how to share the document from one user to another user. Any questions, team? Documents clear? Hmm? Shall I move to another topic?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Right. Now, next one is application. What is application generally? Simply, I can say that application is a collection of tabs. Collection of tabs. What is the purpose of creating application means? what are the tabs it is required to dedicate it to that particular app, then we can show that particular tabs. If you go to Salesforce now, applications are visible in right side corner. This is the app menu. Okay, in classic it is showing app menu like this. In lightning it is showing for left side. I will show you later. See, if you change the sales application, the tabs are changing. Whatever based on CRM functionalities, what are the tabs are required for related to sales application, that is Salesforce is enabled. If you go to service application, see the tabs are changing automatically. Means application is nothing but a collection of tabs. Okay, see, suppose we have two types of objects. One is banking application, one is food related application like Zomato application. So in banking application, tabs are different, and the Zomato application tabs are different. When user is selecting Axis Bank application, we want to display only banking related tabs here. But when click on plus symbol, all tabs are visible. But in tab panel, which tabs are required, that we are going to display based on the application. Okay, so the tabs you can control based on the application as well. So application simply using to collection of different tabs to provide unique business functionality. So the particular business purpose, which tabs are required for the particular application, we can enable. Example, you can go with your mobile. So in mobile, there is a multiple applications we have. Whatever application you open, it is showing only related to that application tabs. It is not showing for other tabs, right? See, if you open the WhatsApp, only three tabs are visible. If you open the Facebook related tabs only it is visible. It is not visible for WhatsApp related tabs. So that is something like in Salesforce also, based on application which tabs are required for the user, the tabs we can display. Okay, for the business purpose. So simply I can say that application is using to display the collection of tabs, which tabs are required to specific that application. And also by using application, we can upload our logo as well. So here, this is the logo is common for every application, right? If you want to customize this logo, if you want to showcase our brand, see, suppose every customer having their own brand, right? Own brand logo, our own logo they're having. We want to showcase that logo. If you open the Flipkart application, Flipkart logo it is showing. It is not showing for Amazon logo. So whatever application you are open, the specific application logo only it is displayed. So in Salesforce also, is there any possibility? Yes, it is there possibility. That is, by using application, we can store the logo as well, or we can change the logo from standard logo to their logo, their customer logo. Okay, so these are the some benefits about the application. So again, I'm repeating in interview also, what is application means? Application is nothing but a collection of tabs, and also we can upload the logo if required. Okay, we can override any standard logos, then we can override the logos by using application. Okay, so by using application, we can update custom logo custom logo. Okay, based on business. Okay, right, based on business or customers. Now again, applications are two types. One is standard applications, and one more is custom applications. Custom applications, standard applications and custom applications. This is interview question as well. Sometimes people are asking, can you please tell me to mention in notes? Okay, standard applications are nothing but these applications. These applications are created by the Salesforce, and also cannot be deleted, but we can customize few things if required. We can customize like tab hidden, or maybe tab settings, something related to that application. We can customize few functionalities. Okay, And also example of standard applications are sales application, service application, marketing application, content application, etc. No need to tell for all applications. At least you can say that few applications are standard applications. Okay. So whatever basic CRM fundamental CRM point of view, which applications are required, that is Salesforce already predefined. If you want, you can use it for your business purpose. Otherwise, you can create your brand new applications. How to create brand new applications, I will show you. Okay. Now, so how to open standard application means setup, build, build, under build, under build. There is a create, under create tabs. Okay, tabs. If you go to Salesforce, click on setup, setup. Under setup, there is a build, here build. Under build, we have a create. Under create, we have a apps. That is the navigation I have mentioned. Setup, build, create, apps. If you go to apps now, see here, these are the listed apps are available. And also here connected app also it is available. This is integration purpose we are using connected app. Okay, maybe that we'll discuss later. But as of now, you can concentrate the Salesforce application. Now, how we can identify whether application is a standard application or custom application means based on two things. One is there is a custom checkbox. If the checkbox equal to true, that application is nothing but a custom application. If the checkbox equal to false, that application is nothing but a standard application. And also we have one more action tab. We don't have delete option here. See, we don't have delete option. Only we have edit option. Means that is the reason I mentioned cannot able to delete, but we can customize. Okay. So if you click on edit here, edit content or marketing or something content, see here the tabs you can hide. If you want these tabs, if it is a marketing, right? If you select the marketing application, marketing, see the tabs are visible. Visibility access as well, which profiles are required this particular application. So that and all we'll discuss later, but few things we can customize, few things we cannot customize, means naming and all it is not possible to change. Okay. So and also see here, this is the standard app. We cannot customize label or logo and label, it is not possible to change. So if you want to change logo and label as per the business requirement, there is no other option. Directly we can create a new application. Click on save now. Click on save now. Now go to marketing application. Previously account tab is not visible, right? If you save now, refresh now, see account tab is visible. So these are the few things we can control standard applications. Hope you clear how you know standard applications here. And also what is lightning? If you go to lightning experience, if we go classic, how we can migrate from how we can change one application to another application, or how to open one application to another application means by using app menu. By using app menu, we can switch from one application to another application. What about lightning? If you go to lightning here, so how to open the setup menu in lightning means if you click on setting icon here, if you click on setting, there is a setup menu here. If you click on setup, then only it is open for setup menu here. Okay. In classic, we have option called setup here, but lightning, same like mobile navigation, here we have a setting icon. In that, click on setting icon, it will open the setup menu. If you open the setup menu, see there is a under platform tools, we have a apps. Under apps, you click on app manager. See here, all lightning apps, classic apps, both are visible here. Both are visible here. Okay, I will explain later what is difference between lightning application and classic application. Here also we can easily find out. So what are the applications are available in lightning and classic? How you know whether this is the standard or custom application? Is there any checkbox here, custom or standard? No. If you click on drop down, so which application we don't have delete button, that application is nothing but a standard application. That is how we can differentiate whether application is standard or custom application. Okay, so this is what is the navigation for. So maybe I'll mention like this. This is the classic, and here lightning. Okay, lightning setup, platform tools, under platform tools apps, under apps app manager. Okay, app manager. Okay, this is how we can open the application in lightning and application in classic. Hope you clear what are the standard application. And also if you go to lightning experience, how to switch from one application to another application means in the left side corner, same like mobile, we have a option called three dotted symbol here. Okay, if you click on three dotted symbol, so whatever applications here it is open, it is showing only limited applications. If you want to see what are the all applications are available, how many applications are available this particular user, click on view all. Okay, if you click on view all, see all applications are showing, and related to tabs also it is showing. These are the tabs, all items, right? We have a classic called all items, right? That is something like here it is available. Okay, and also if you want to change the order, see now if you go to here, see service marketing like this, it is there, right? If you want to change the order, yes, you can change the order like this. You can drag and drop. First application is the sales application. If you want to drag and drop, first application is sales, then we can drag and drop. This is the sales application. Okay, so drag and drop like this. Now if you want drag and drop, again drag and drop. Right, see this is the oh, why it is not showing? I think my mouse problem. Go to top. All right, here you can put, see first sales marketing service. Okay, if you click on cancel, if you go to here, see now first application is sales. If you select the marketing application is opened. Okay, this is how we can switch from one application to another application in lightning version. Hope you clear what is standard application, how to open application in standard application in classic and lightning version, what are the things you can customize. Any questions, team? I think so this is sufficient for today. So tomorrow I'm going to explain directly for custom applications. Okay, custom applications. And also I'm going to explain just few things. I'm not taking much time, just 2 to 3 minutes. There is one website called https trust.salesforce.com, trust.salesforce.com. And also we have one more option, https status.salesforce.com. You can use anything. Okay, salesforce.com. What is this websites? What is this websites, right? Yesterday already we discussed some of the infrastructure as a service. See, suppose in Salesforce end, maybe server side we have some disturbances, maybe we have some server issue. How we can identify it? See, anyway, in case any ongoing maintenance or maybe in any future maintenance, any service issues or something, then definitely Salesforce will send notification to all the admin people, whoever customers are available. Okay, that it will take care by Salesforce. Suppose as an admin, you are forgot to check emails. Suddenly users are facing issue, they are unable to log into the Salesforce. Again, they will create a high priority issue. Then way to check whether Salesforce any issue was there or Salesforce side any issue is going on. Your side there is no any issue. So you checked all the settings and all. So whatever settings enabled, that is as expected only. But suddenly users are not able to log in. They're having some issues for their locations. Maybe in case any server maintenance or maybe server side any issues. How we can check those type of issues means by using these websites. Suppose, so that is the reason Salesforce always recommended that whatever email you are receiving from Salesforce end, first you have to read that mail, whether there is there any impact for the customers. In case is there any impact for the customers, you have to communication before going to getting the issue. So just forward that email to business stakeholders. This is what happening from Salesforce. This is the particular time zone. Application is not available. Please inform to all your respective customers and all, so that they're not going to create any high priority ticket. That is one way to avoid the issues from the customer side. Suppose you forgot to check that email, maybe somehow you ignore that email, suddenly users are not able to open means, so you have to check. Alternate option is trust.salesforce.com. If you go to website trust.salesforce.com, see here, this is the trust.salesforce.com. Either we can use trust.salesforce.com, otherwise here you can click on status, automatically the URL is changed to status.salesforce.com. Okay, here you can check with Salesforce services. Here if you click on Salesforce services, so these are the servers they're using. AP means APAC, and Australia, and something Brazil or something is there, and Canada, and something CS is central server something. So there is each location they enabled some particular services. Okay, now how you know? If you go to Salesforce, click on setup now, click on setup now. Otherwise, if you go to here company profile, if you go to company profile, company information, so what is the service name you have? So you can find out here service name. Instance is nothing but a service name. Here AP27 is our service name. So if you go to touch.salesforce, just search with AP27. So this is the service. If you open the service, then you can check here, is there any maintenance? See now, all products are working as expected. There is no any issue. If you go to history, here it is showing maintenance, everything. Okay, if you go to maintenance, here it is showing ID, date. See, these are the activities they're doing. So already future activities and past activities also they're enabled. Okay, so here like this, you have to find out, is there any service maintenance or maybe service disturbances or anything. Just if you have such kind of things, take the screenshot and inform to the stakeholders. So in Salesforce side, some service maintenance is going on. This is the time period it is application is not available, and please log in after this time zone, something like that. But don't take that much level. So whenever you receive in real time, whenever you are supporting any application, especially supporting applications, whatever email you receive from the Salesforce, you have to read line by line, try to understand. So some emails are they're doing some marketing, right? So Salesforce also sending some unwanted email, not unwanted email, maybe they're doing some marketing, maybe they're enabled some new products, maybe it is helpful to buy something like that, they're doing some marketing. Those type of emails by looking itself we can ignore. But in case any impact is there, just read one more time and send to that information to all business stakeholders, so that your job is safe. Job is safe means you are a safe mode. Job is not happened anything, but your position is safe actually, means no one will ask any questions. If you are not doing that activity, what will happen? It will receive the high priority ticket. You know, right, how we can resolve the high priority ticket within the 15 minutes. We need to give the response, and we need to fill the documents and all. So there is a lengthy process. Why need to do for that much activity? So that is. So this and all you can take care as a support people, as you are supporting applications in real time. This information is must required to know. Okay, so right. Either you can use this URL or this URL. You can check for server related issues. Okay. So by using above URLs, we can check server related issues or updates. Okay. Right. Done. So that's all for today's class. Anyone have any questions up to now? Please let me know. Tomorrow I'm going to start with custom applications. Okay. Right. Anyone have any questions? Please let me know. Clear?
It's clear. Okay.
Thank you. Maybe in my notes some spelling mistakes and all, maybe it is there. Please correct it. Okay. So please ignore those kind of things. Standard applications. Okay. Okay. I will share these notes to Vijay. Maybe Vijay will update to you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks.